Hello and welcome to the April Red Show. Today I will be taking out my hard drive, 1 terabyte, and putting in my SSD, 240 gigabytes up to 530 megabytes. So I've already unplugged it, so I'm going to turn it over. And this is a HP 15-inch Ayo41wm brand. First thing I do is take the battery out. Take the battery out. I got on my strap, my anesthetic strap. Take the battery out and set it to the side. Give it a few minutes. I got my screwdriver. Get the screwdriver. It's my light. It's my screwdriver. It's my light. So I'm gonna give it a few minutes to get the charger out. So here, I really don't need that right now. Get off, cut off. Cut that thing off. Let me see. I guess I gotta be patient. I'm not a very patient person. It's coming. There it is. 5 minutes later. So I'm gonna put the screws over here so I know which one's which. Put this over there. Just take this off. Oh, and that screw's covered up with sticky tape. It's always something. Over there, I'm going to take out the hard drive. This screw, get this screw. I don't know. We'll figure it out together. This screw, one of the screws in the hard drive. The optical drive. Remove that. Pretty sure it's this screw. Let's see. Either way, I gotta remove all these screws out. Motherboard, get to the hard drive. I didn't think it'd take this long. See how long? It's already been 11 minutes. Trying to make this a 15-minute tape. on. There we go. I just have to press hard on the screw to get it to. How come my optical drive ain't coming out? There it is. That's gotta come out. I knew that had to come out. So I'm thinking, so it's this screw right here. Okay, so I'm gonna put my optical drive. This is my optical drive. It's my optical drive. So it's just this one screw, but I still took that one out because I got to open the whole case. So put that way. Okay. I'm gonna take this screw out. Let's see. I know it shouldn't take me that long. Now that I figured out what I was doing wrong. I wasn't pressing the screwdriver down in the screw enough to magnetize the screw to the screwdriver head. There we go. Like I said, this is my first time. And I'm not about to take my computer to okay, that screw is totally different. Okay, we're gonna put that screw over here. Okay. Yes, ma'am, you gotta take all these screws off of these HPs. Got that off. Okay. Looks like that comes off here. Then you gotta take this and turn it around. And open it up and start disconnecting the keyboard face from the bottom. So I'm going to use this so I won't damage my tools. Well, not my tools, but I don't know if this will work or not. Like I said, this is my first time doing it. I know I had to. Just bit me. I don't see it. There was a mosquito. I had the door open this morning. I know I saw it though. I used to slap it across the room somewhere. That was it. Show must go on. That's it. Shotgun and bug that bit me. I think I killed him. Oh, my strap came loose. I gotta reconnect it. Okay, back to business. See if I can get this. Come on. Don't you know I'm filming? There we go. I got it in there. So, there we go. Oops. My hard drive about to fall down. Put that. Put that up. Put that right there. That's my SSD drive. Almost fell. Okay, sweetie. So I'm gonna try to. There we go. It's coming. Disconnected. Don't be scared of your computer. It ain't gonna break. Oops. Keep that connected. It's almost open. Everything, I see it. All my hard drive is connected to my keyboard. I took out all right there. This one right there, and one right there. You gotta take out. Oh, being in such a rush. That's what I do. Forgot all about it. It's in the battery casing. And that mosquito bit me. I lost track of what I was doing. I hope it was a mosquito. I'll find out tomorrow. These HPs have a lot of screws to take out. Okay, now it should just pop off. There we go. And that is what's in your, let me put it closer here. Let's see. Oh, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Get my thumb out the way. fan heat sink and everything. It's just so beautiful. Okay, let me put this back up here. Let's take out the hard drive. Fix the camera back. I'm gonna have to edit this video. Okay, so this is the hard drive that I want to replace right here. So guess what, y'all? We got some more screws to take loose. Let me put this over here. Let's see. We gotta take out here. Here we go. I'm gonna take these out first. Yeah, take these out first. There's 1, 2, 3 screws over here that you take out. Let's see if I can. There we go. Don't do what I just did, y'all. Okay, they're very little screws, so very little. What is it? Yeah, they're very little screws. So let me put them there. I still didn't get my nails done. Who cares? I'll get them done tomorrow. I've been busy with work and I've already, let's see, come on, baby. When you take these screws out, be very careful because you don't want to drop them anywhere in your motherboard. Not doing this today. This screw is so little, it just come out. Here we go. Okay. Third screw. Okay. And you want to disconnect this SATA switch. Let's see. Let me get that off. When the case comes out, and I want to take that out. That's the hard drive. I'm going to put that in the hard drive chassis that I got. And I want to disconnect this. I want to disconnect it. Oh, okay. You take that lever and you push it up. Duh. Put that to the side because that's where I want to put my SSD drive, right there. Sorry. So I want to take this out here because I want to use this chastity case to take this out. The screws over here. Oh, these screws come out a lot faster. That won't cool, y'all. I just dropped my damn. Oh, I got it. Oh, Lord have mercy. I found the screw. So y'all be careful because mine's just falling on the floor. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to take that out. Sit that right there. What I can do is go ahead and put my hard drive into my hard drive storage so it won't be out so much. So I'm gonna connect this side up. And that's gonna be my storage. And there's 2 screws that go to that. And that's where my USB SATA goes. Right there. I have that. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that over to the side. And I've already cloned my SSD drive on my Windows Home to my SSD drive earlier today using the wizard tool. What is it tool? I'll put in the description what wizard tool I use to I used a USB SATA cable. Take that out carefully, please. Very carefully. That's the pressure. Okay, so I'll put that to the side. And all I have to do is put my casing back on here. Match my casings back on here. Match the holes up. Okay. Hope that's right. This way. Yeah, that's right. Match the hose up. I can match the hose up. There we go. Oh, so that's not going on that side. Okay. Match the hose up, put my screws back in. Yeah, these are the screws. Can't do one side at a time because these screws are so little and I don't want to drop them. Okay, the screws back. That sticks to my fingers. Thunder gone. My cat just rubbed up against me. I'm gonna go somewhere. I don't want no static discharge. So what we're going to do is, before you close it all up, make sure these all match, because there's 3 screws that should go in, back in. So you want to make sure they match before you connect the SATA cables. Oops, back on here. So I'm going to put that back on there like that. Just push it on there, and then connect this ribbon back. Lord help me. Somebody help me. Push that in there. Oops. I didn't hurt it. Lash it back down. There we go. And then put your screws back in. Upgrade it. My hard drive with my SSD. New SSD. There we go. Okay. Put these screws back on. See? That was pretty easy, huh? I always make shit. See, that's what I was scared of. That screw fell down in there. I'm gonna get my tweezers. Don't panic if your screw gets fall out. Let me get these off of here. Just go down there and pick it up with your little tweezers. Don't try to use your screwdriver and push it down even further. Just gotta be real careful when you put these screws in. I don't know why my screwdriver is not magnetizing with my nails. So, you have to be real careful. Supposed to be 4 screws, but the manufacturer left out a screw right here, y'all. Right here, the screw left out. So there's 4 screws in here, but the manufacturer of this computer decided not to connect that screw together. What is that bent like that? I hope I didn't do that. Nope, that was like that already. So the SSD drive in, we want to put everything back. Okay? So get your case and let's see, put everything back. Starting with the back. Let's start with the back. Clamp it down. Let's set it drop. Fell down. I should have put it in this case. I gotta use this again. Okay. Okay. Make sure everything is pushed down real good until you hear it popping. Okay. Everything down. Don't be scared to press on it. It's just a machine. Okay. I'm gonna open it up. Press down on it some more. Make sure it's all snapped back in there before I put the screws on. And all your USB ports should be sticking out right here. Press that down. Okay. Turn it back around. Okay. Then put it this way. Put these screws back in here. Take it on that down. Oh, these are PC screws, so let's do that. There it is. Remember, keep it with your screws. I'm still connected to my something metal, and I'm not on the carpet. I'm on hardwood floor. My cat rubbed up against me. I hope he didn't cause any electric static. I'm gonna have to give him some snack because I fussed at him. I didn't even fuss at him. I love him to death. Okay. Now, I'm gonna put my optical drive back in. Just push it on. Push it really good. Push it just like that. Snap it in. It's not gonna hurt nothing. Now for my screws. And that's it. Screw everything back in there. Like I said, you want to clone your Windows OS so that you can have it on your new updated SSD drive. I'll put in the description what I used to clone my hard drive to my SSD drive. It was fast, it was simple, and it was easy. Well, I ain't gonna say it was fast because I had a hard drive and I had to use this computer to clone it. So it took about 45 minutes because I have a USB, I think it's USB 3.0 or 2 in here. And it was very slow, y'all. Very slow. But I got it done. This screw that I'm putting in here is the one that goes to the optical drive, your CD drive. So if you ever want to change out your CD, if it's not working, you want to change out your optical drive, it's easy to do it on here. You just take the screw out, pull it out, put your new optical drive in. There's no sense going to a PC person if you feel secure enough to work on your own laptop. Again, if y'all hurt y'all computer or do anything to your laptop, I'm not responsible. Keep saying that. I'm just showing you how I do it. I'm not missing one single screw. Hallelujah. And I'm gonna put those things there. Oh man. Come on. I'm looking for the little plastic things that go right here. To cover up the screw, to cover up the screw. Have y'all seen it? When I drop it? Hmm? Little one of them. These back on, just like that. And the other one goes right here. What did I do with it? Did I drop it? Yep, I see it. Dropped it on the floor. That's what I do. There we go. And now we can stick the battery back in there. And let's see how it boots up. Yeah, she knows battery's in there, right? That's locked. That's locked. Okay. That's unlocked. Yes. Turn up my battery. That shit's locked by itself. Mosquito that bit me. Got him. Okay. Should be locked, huh? I'm paranoid about this battery. Center. That's unlocked. And that's locked. Unlocked. Let's see. Locked. Locked. Okay. What is that still coming up? Hold on. I'm not paranoid about my battery, right? Okay. So if you push it in, it should lock. Right? Yeah, it's locked. Yeah. Okay. Let me turn it this way so y'all can see how fast it boots. came on quick when I had my there's all that dust on there. It's just dust. When I had my hard drive in there, it took all day to boot. See how fast that booted? Okay. Let me turn it around. Put my password in. Y'all can't see my password. Ain't that crazy? Let me put the password in. Okay. So, guys, the clone, my operating system is cloned. It's booted up straight from my SSD drive. I have everything that I had on my hard drive on here on Windows license. So when you clone, yeah, there it is. Mini 2 power data. That's what I went to. Saved my last settings from my hard drive. So that's when I used the Mini 2 partition wizard to clone my SSD drive to my hard drive. And like I said, I'm going to use my hard drive to go into my computer as second storage, using it as a external hard drive, so I can go back and forth. If you get one of these, yeah, see, there, this is what I bought. A laptop hard drive, yeah, laptop hard drive, laptop hard disk drive enclosure with USB connect SATA drive. What I would do, I gotta kind of screw that back in, is put that into there and then put my USB inside there and connect it. So that will do it for my tutorial on how I change out my hard drive to my SSD drive on an HP Ayo41wm serial model. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed my video. I gotta edit it. Bye.